Hi everyone, this is Dr. Kumar, Associate Professor, Department of EEE, SNS College of Technology. The course is 23WT 104 Analog Electronic Circuits for second semester EEE students. Now we are sailing in unit number 4 Multivibrator. Now let me see the introduction about multivibrator and the types in this lecture video series. The left hand side portion is what is the circuit. See, it is a three-dimensional view which consists of a battery. In the left hand side, the orange and black is a battery, and the board is there, and the two blue color cylinder is there, which is nothing but capacitor, and two LEDs is there. You may find out. And how many resistors are there in the circuit? Yes, it is 4. There are 4 resistors, 2 LEDs, 2 capacitors, a battery source, and the left top is nothing but the potential divider. It is nothing but simply to say it is a pot, and the extreme end of black, 2 blacks. Yes, this is transistors. Therefore, in general, a multivibrator circuits consist of 4 resistors, 2 LEDs for output, 2 transistors, 2 capacitors, 1 source, which is nothing but a battery, and a potentiometer. The 2 transistors are acting in active and saturation region. You mean acting as a switch. What we are going to see is what is a multivibrator here. See here, a multivibrator is an electronic circuit which implements a 2-state oscillations. It may be a relaxation oscillator, or it may be 1 stable state oscillator, or there may be 2 stable state oscillations. The left bottom is the circuit shown for a multivibrator. When the invention of multivibrator is also mentioned here, and now let me see the classifications of multivibrator. As I am explained, it is divided into 3. One is astable, which has no stable states, and another one is monostable. As per the name indicates, mono means 1, therefore only 1 stable state. And for bi, which is nothing but 2, bicycle, therefore 2 wheel is there, therefore bi is nothing but 2, therefore 2 stable state occurs. Now let me see the stable multivibrator. For an unstable multivibrator, there is no input signal is given. The block diagram represents a circuit of an unstable multivibrator, which may consist of 2 transistors, 4 resistors, 2 capacitors, and the LEDs and power supply comes into picture. Whereas what may be the output shown here is nothing but the waveform. Output shown here is nothing but the waveform. See here the waveform, 0 and 1, a clock pulse. Therefore, the another name for this unstable multivibrator is relaxation oscillator, or a free running multivibrator. As this is the circuit which is shown here, the circuit shown here, as the left hand side portion is the circuit, and the right hand side is the actual components which is assembled in a board. Yes. Now see that we may cover this board. Now see the circuit. It consists of 2 transistors. The 4 resistors R1, R2, RL1 and RL2 will act as a biasing resistor for the transistors. You mean particularly R1 and R2 will act as a biasing resistor. The purpose of capacitor is to store the energy and to discharge energy, and the timing of the storing is nothing but the on time or the off time of a transistor. The transistor Q1 and Q2 will operate in such a way that it is either in saturation condition, you mean on condition, or it is in off condition, you mean cut off region. Yes. The operation of a stable multivibrator will be detailed in the next video series. Thank you.